Good morning.
Morning!
We're up very bright and early
Too bright and early.
to go to Rottnest Island
For the day.
for the day.
Hopefully we find lots of things to do so we can not be bored. But
I don't think we're going to be bored. Really?
I don't know. Chase quokkas all day.
God, here we go. But yeah, up bright and early. We got the 7:30 ferry, so it's early. Yeah, should be a good day. It's nice and no clouds in the sky. It's supposed to be 21 degrees over there, so that's not hot. There you go. There's not much in it because you just dropped it all on the floor. Yeah, it's only supposed to be 21 degrees over there today, so it should be nice and pleasant, not hot. Hopefully not too cold, even though we're all rugged up. And yeah, we'll see when we get to the ferry.
It's easier to rug down than to rug up.
Because that makes sense. We made it. Just. We're on Rottnest Island. Nan's tummy is settled. Nan's tummy didn't do so well on the boat. Clara slept basically most of the way. Cleo watched the Wiggles.
Baby shark.
I think. Oh no, Baby Shark. Granddad had to watch all of this. Poor Granddad. But anyway, we're here.
No idea where we're
No, we don't know what we're doing. We've got all day to keep getting lost. Meh. A lot of old buildings, a lot of old cottages. And yeah. We'll show you around. recording. Oh, we had to fix that. Little Miss Claire was playing with it on the bus. It's a Clio cam. But we stopped at Rocky Bay, I think it's called. So the girls could have a bit of a swim and a play. They were getting a bit restless on the bus. Granddad may have gone for a wee walk.
Like you're hiding the beach for you for the whole day.
Yeah, we've basically got the beach to ourselves. There's no one here. Bit of a walk to get down though with 2 prams and 2 kids, but we got down. Might be a bit. Oh, Granddad's going to do a striptease. Who wants to watch? Yeah, it said nobody.
Not even Nan.
They're in the white bag. In that bag, there's boardies. That's not white.
I know, I'm sitting up to the sand.
But the girls are having a ball playing in the water. It's probably only knee deep for us. A little bit waist deep sort of for Cleo. But they're having a ball. Oh, thanks.
You sure you put them in?
Yep.
What colour are they?
Black. Hey. You find it? Alright, so I did. I'll put the black ones, the new ones. Excuse the wind, but it's absolutely spectacular up here. Just beautiful. And yes, we had to walk up those stairs with the kids and 2 prams. That was fun. Poor Granddad. Yes, very beautiful. Oh, and we swam in the Indian Ocean. Woohoo! It's cold, but we swam in it. Just waiting for the bus.
Carried the 2 kids and prams up and down those stairs. 2 prams, 2 kids, 2 oldies, all the crap. Granddad's a packles. I come a fit old bastard sometimes.
I don't think he'll give you a cuddle. No. Say hello. Hello, get gentle. Gentle, remember, gentle. You're not allowed to touch them. You want to don't bite you.
Let it go where it wants to go.
Okay.